Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to display your Android phone's screen on your computer. Go to Settings, find System Settings, then scroll down and find Optional Features. Add an optional feature. Search for Wireless Display. Click on it. It's only 2 megabytes. Next, and click Add. This is not a third-party application. This is a feature of Windows itself, so it is safe and free. After downloading, we will be able to mirror the phone screen. This process sometimes takes a few minutes. Well, it's added. Now we can close this window. Then go click here and search for Wireless Display. As you see, it's working. Now, I will go to Casting Settings and start casting on my phone. The feature name that appears here can be Cast or Screencasting on your phone. Turn on. It is searching for devices. I see my computer's name. If you want to learn your device name, go to Settings and it will be right here. Now, choose the device. Desktop, blah blah. It detected my phone. Process completed. As you see, I can see my phone screen on my computer. There are some settings here. Let's go to Mr. Tutorial page. Video FPS is really good. And also, video quality is really good. I can make full screen here. Now it's better. If I have been helpful, you can support me by liking the video. You can subscribe to Mr. Tutorial for more educational videos. See you soon.